Namaste everyone. Today we will see the Simhagarjanasana. Simhagarjanasana means lion roaring pose. Okay. So first we understand the key point of this asana. First, inhale deeply through the nose, and while you exhale, then out your tongue completely as far as possible, and then after that make the ha sound. Okay, and during the practice look between your eyebrows. Okay, look between your eyebrows. Let's start. Come into the Dandasana. Then after that, first bend your right leg, then bend your left leg, and come into the Vajrasana. Both palm place on your thigh, and slowly close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly and completely. And now prepare your mind for this asana. Okay, inhale deeply. And while exhaling, gently open your eyes. Slightly apart your knees as much as comfortable. Then after that, both palms placed between your knees and slightly bend forward. And inhale slightly, head up, and then perform it. Inhale deeply. And while exhale, out stretch your tongue as far as possible. And then after that, I stop the practice and slowly come up. Join your knees and close your eyes. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly and completely. Feel the effect after the practice. Now from here, slowly open your eyes and unfold first your right leg, then left leg, and then relax for a while. Those people who are suffering from knee and ankle injury and also surgery and heart related problem, vocal and oral cavity related problem, and ear related problems such as infection and pain and neck injuries and surgery and waist injuries and surgery, and also shoulder related problem, surgery and also injury, those people should avoid this practice. Thank you for watching. Jai Sri Krishna.